Good evening, everyone. I, Saurav, the president of the Commerce Society, welcome you to the Commerce Society orientation. So, we'll be giving glimpse of what Commerce Society actually is and how the Commerce Society functions. Okay, first of all, I'd like to congratulate each one of you for making it to one of the most prestigious college of Delhi University, that's Ramjas College. So, yeah, so each one of you is very lucky who have entered Ramjas College, and now your real phase of professional life starts. So, Uh, here I like to draw some basic difference between commerce society and commerce department. Okay, so commerce society and commerce department are two different things. Commerce department includes teachers and students of BCom honors and BCom program. Okay, so we have a separate TIC for the commerce department, that's teacher in charge, and commerce society is different. It's different from commerce department. Commerce society is the society which is driven by students, and the council here is the students. Along with this, we have two teachers, that's convener and co-convener, who supervises all the function of the commerce society and sees that we are going in the right direction. Okay, so we have convener Dr. CA PC Tulsian sir and co-convener CA Dr. Vishal Pandey sir. So the vision of commerce society. So commerce department has about 1,000 plus students along with teachers and members, but commerce society only has about 70 to 80 students as of now. Okay, so each one of you will be willing to apply to the commerce society, but what's actually our vision is we want that each member of the commerce society should have em- should have upskill and should have upper edge from the one who are present in the department. So what we do in the commerce society, we take sessions, we invite speakers, we help you to build your corporate contacts, and we also engage some live workshops, live projects from corporates. And so in your college life only, you'll get a glimpse of how the business entrepreneurship and how this all works. So this is the basic visions. We also have internal and external sessions in the society. So along with this, we also have so you, as you might be all knowing that Delhi University is famous for arranging the fest. Okay, so yeah, we have a fest of Commerce Society too. So in the last year, it was the first time that we organized a fest virtually. So this also we are thinking to do this virtually only this year due to the COVID. Okay, so in the fest we have various events. So the major responsibility of any member, the Commerce Society, to is during the fest. Okay, so during the fest, your major responsibility comes. You guys will be acting as members under the heads. Okay, so you have to arrange all the sponsorships. You have to do all the posting work. Heads are there to supervise you, so they'll be guiding you how to proceed forward. You will be having good corporate contacts for the judges and all. So the major responsibility comes during fest. Okay, so we'll be having this fest in last week of January or first week of February. So yeah, this was about arbitrage, and along with this, we also have a cultural fest, that's Tarang. So this was organized first time during the previous year. So this was also held virtually, but previously we have this cultural day. Okay, when we are having physical fest, so we have one cultural day, but now we have converted this to also fest. So this is a Kavyanjali photography. So various activities are being organized in this too, art and craft instrumentals. Okay, so this was also conducted online. So we conducted this previously in May, so this time also we're planning to conduct in May only. So along with this, we have our Ramjas business review. So this is the official business newsletter of Ramjas College Commerce Society of Ramjas College. This is official business letter. Okay, along with this, we have two other projects. So if you guys want to give any entries for articles or research papers, you can surely give in RPR, and first preference would be surely for your entries as a member of Commerce Society. So along with this, we have ACED with Ramjas. This is a platform that has been launched for professional students. Many students were complaining in earlier years they are not having they were not getting proper guidance about how to pursue CA's mentorship and coaching CAT for the CAT CFA. So this is the platform that we have launched for commerce for the professional students. They can get the so any member of the any member of the college can become a member of ACED with Ramjas who is pursuing CACS. Okay, so they can have one-to-one sessions with the seniors, alumni, and get proper guidance. Along with this, we have also launched Comstock podcast. So this will be functional in January. Okay, we'll be recording uh, sessions on this related to investment banking, stock market, and all. So one who are the member of the commerce society will be only one fully recording, and they have prior knowledge. They'll be recording the sessions. Along with this, we have about 8 departments in Comsoc. So I'll be taking you to each department. First of all, we have training and consultancy department. So the basic task of training and consultancy department is to hold sessions. Okay, and they're the ones who are responsible for holding and imparting knowledge to the society. It may be in form of like you guys have got a message on your orientation groups. The session is being held on Excel. So timely we mostly bi-weekly or we organize sessions for the speaker sessions. External speaker comes and deal with this session. Okay, so related to various financial skills, maybe Excel financial modeling. In the past we have this session. So in this training department, and along with the members also of training department host sessions. Okay, and these are called inside sessions and external sessions in which we invite speaker for the sessions. Along with this, we have creative department. Creative department is the one who is responsible for all creativity in the commerce society. They are the one of the creative minds in the commerce society. They're the ones who are engaged in graphic designing, video editing, and all of the posters designing and all. So this is the, if you think you're the creative mind, you can surely join this creative department. Okay. So content department. So you might have went. So you might have gone through our Instagram pages. So we post reels, quizzes. So the content for all this comes from content department. Okay. So we have two departments, content editorial. To reduce the workload of this department, we have divided into content editorial. Content department is responsible for day-to-day content for all this, like gratitude mails, LinkedIn posts. So this come from content department. So if you are having good writing skills, you may become the member of this. So editorial department is somewhat similar to content department, but its basic function is during to edit the RBR, that's Ramjas Business Review, official business letter, and our website is also under process. So they timely provide the content for our website and social media handles. Okay, they also one for the who share timely resources and impart timely knowledge for content. We also have workshops from the heads and Luminize who share all this writing skills, related knowledge. So we have marketing department. So marketing department is generally one who who is generally engaged in social media and improve attendance at our events. So marketing department is responsible for day-to-day engaging with other societies for marketing our events, marketing our fest, marketing our other events of the society. Okay, so we have also PR department. So PR department is generally responsible. Sorry, so first of all, we have HR department. As of now, we have not recruited any member in HR department. Only the heads are the one who are functioning this department. So if you have any grievance related to working on the SOC, related to uh, mm, any feedback or anything related to any grievance, you can directly contact our HR heads and they'll be fulfilling your need needful. And along with this, they are engaged in recruitment. Okay, so ACID with the Ramjas. So I just talked that ACID with the Ramjas is the initiative for CACS CAT aspirants. Along with this, we are also trying to add CFA aspirants also and CMA aspirants in this. So this is a simple community in which if you have any doubts or something, you may connect with the seniors. So this platform has been formed. So this is under the umbrella of Commerce Society. So along with this PFP and sponsorship head department, so they are engaged for organizing webinars, general webinars. Okay, so bringing some sponsorship opportunities to society, maybe monetary or non-monetary, and fulfilling the needs. Along with this, they are handling the mails and messages from different societies and organizations. Okay, so as the fest is generally virtual, but when it was physical, what we were having, so the posters were designed, they have to go to different colleges and ping the posters there. Okay, so in the virtual, the need has somewhat decreased for all this, but yeah, but surely colleges will be opening in, I think so, 2 to 3 months if the COVID scene get normalized. So yeah, you have to fulfill all these opportunities, fulfill all these responsibilities in PR and marketing department. So as I just talked that we also want that our students, our members of the commerce society should have proper professional knowledge. So what we have done, so we are also have collaborated with various organizations. One of its GM Financials. So this organization has according to a strategic collaboration, so this organization is providing our students, our members of the commerce society, with investment banking knowledge. And surely internships and all this are very difficult to find. Okay, so in financial sector it's very difficult to find. Okay, so yeah, GM Financials have agreed to impart their knowledge to the students of the commerce society. So how the positions in ComSoc are decided? Okay, so generally when you are recruited, you will be recruited junior executive member. Okay, so timely you will become a senior executive member, afterwards heads, and then team advisors, and then you will be entering to council. Okay, so and council, when council tenure is over, so they go to general advisors. Okay, so as of now we have no general advisor as of now. So we have only council, and then comes all this post. Okay, so this is the, so you will be recruited here junior executive member, and after some time you will be surely going to senior executives. So so how the council looks like? So I'm the president, I'm the acting president. Along with this, I'm the vice president of the commerce society. Okay, we have three other posts: Hardik as a treasurer, Sarvjit Singh as a general secretary, and Diksha Singh as a joint secretary. So the joint secretary is basically from the first year, so it will be now recruited from your years. Okay, so we have the four advisors of the commerce society. Yukti Agarwal is our PR advisor, Nandini Singla is our creative advisor, Garima is our marketing advisor, and Shruti is our editorial advisor. So these are the advisors of commerce society. If heads any have any issues or something, they can surely approach to the advisors. Advisors were previously heads of the departments. Okay, so now Shreya will be taking you through the recruitment process, how you will be recruited. Okay, so Shreya, yeah, you can take forward.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I hope I am clearly audible to you all. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So taking you all through the recruitment process, I am currently the HR head of the Commerce Society. So there will be a four-stage recruitment process starting from the Google form, group discussion, interview round, and the council interview. So we will be circulating Google forms on the group which we have been added, and you can also find it on our social media handles. So the Google form will be containing some questions. On the basis of those answers, we will be shortlisting some candidates, and then we'll move to the second group discussion round. I hope you all have a knowledge what a group discussion round is. Next, you'll be having interviews with the heads and the HRs, and next will be the council interview round, which you will have been having the interviews with the council. All these rounds will be eliminatory one. So we have received a lot of requests about the recruitment process. So this will be the four-stage recruitment process. And don't worry, guys, you'll be getting all the form links and all the details on the groups which you have been added. Okay, so next, what we have received queries from you, that what do we expect from you guys? So firstly, we expect from you guys that you must have a willingness to learn. You should be punctual, and you should be having a team spirit. And a fourth one is moving to the opening camera in the team meetings. It is very important for your own personal development, and we don't want the team meetings to be monotonous one. We want it to be very interactive one, and you guys can also have your point of view to express in all those meetings. And fifth, active participants in our events. We have events like we have fairs, we have our workshops, so webinars. So we all want you to be very actively participating in all those and taking the most out of those. And the next is spirit to take initiative in this commerce society. Although we have a hierarchy, but we support, we value each of your suggestions. If you have a suggestion, you can always bring up to it. It will always be considered for our future initiatives also. So we want all of you to be very creative, and if you want to implement something, if you have any suggestion, you can reach out to us. Next, to have a respectful behavior and maintain the decorum of the society. Uh, so you all must be needing that we will be looking for some prior knowledge or expertise. So let me clear that it is not a prerequisite for all of you. We only need that you must be enthusiastic and excited to learn. Your willingness to learn is the most important thing. Talking about the commerce society, it's not just a society. We treat each and everyone as a family, and it is more about a community to learn. We all are here to learn from each other. You can learn from your seniors, you can learn from your peers. So take this as an opportunity to grow, as a platform to upskill yourself. Okay, I think we are done with the presentation. So guys, we are very excited to have you all on board with us. So the recruitment process will be starting soon. You'll be getting all the details on your WhatsApp group. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to me. You'll get my contact number in the end, and the other HR head, Isha. We both will be very happy to help you out. And in case of the general query, you can reach out Saurav Goyal, our president. Thank you
So
guys for
guys,
joining the orientation.
as Shreya has just informed that recruitment process will be starting soon, so we are very eager to have you on board. So yeah, if you have any queries, you may reach our HR heads. The contacts will be displayed in the last of the presentation. And if you have any general query related to anything, you may reach out to me. Along with this, I want that each one of you should at least apply for the application. And moreover, see, apart from your academics, you should join the societies. Okay? And most importantly, you should have some time. You can easily build new contacts in the society. You can interact with your seniors. Okay. So this society gives a leverage to you, gives a upside to you apart from your peers. So yeah, I'm happy that you have watched this orientation and will be very eager to recruit many of you in the society. So if you have any query, you may reach to Shreya and Isha. Okay.